Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify Exness account in Dubai, step by step and in easy way. So first thing, you open your application and log into your account. Next, click on your profile, you will find it in the right bottom for your screen, and then you will see this page. You just click on not verified. Start first with verifying your email and your phone number. You just click on complete now and fill in your personal information like your first name, last name, date of birth and country of birth, your gender and your residential address. Then confirm your phone number. You will receive a code, you just need to paste it in the application. Then go back to verification page, and for now you just click on identity verification. You will see this button verify now, you just click on that. Next here they will ask you some questions, you need to answer for all of the questions here. After filling all the required information, you just click on submit. Now you need to upload your proof of identity and check your name. Then you just click on the button upload documents, and here you just need to choose the way that you want to verify your identity. You can choose passport, driver's license, ID card, resident permit or old ID card, and make sure that the documents are clear. Then the final step is go back to verification page, and this time you need to choose the third option, residential address verification, and you just need to upload some proof of your residence like electricity bill or bank statement or something like this. And once you finish all this, you just click on submit and wait for 24 hours till Exness application review your informations and approve it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.